Oh shit.
Time to call fucking man.
Yeah.
No, it's a piece of shit Clancy told you to take off.
Oh man. You're right, she should have took them off. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. So all you never fly. That saved my life, man. I just cut my finger off. That could have been death. It would have been death. That would have been. I would have dropped. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah. It's not my night. That clamp must have busted loose, huh?
Yeah.
Oh shit. I know what happened.
Yeah.
I know. Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah. I just pinched my finger a little bit. I just pinched my finger a little bit.
I mean, I saw it fall.
Cut it off. I'm okay. Let's give it a half. Yeah. Oh, we wouldn't go nowhere, was it? Ah, it was good. That's why you really need one on each side, don't you?
Yeah, that wouldn't happen if you had that.
Yeah, that kind of.
Oh, was it? It wasn't on there?
Yeah, it was pointed, but it came loose. I had it tied.
They suck.
Yeah. Let me take this one.
Well, it is not. It went on there all the way.
No, it wasn't. Shit. Oh, shit. Ooh. It was like that one. It was like that. Hold on. Let me take these outside. Ooh. Oh my God. That's about shit right there. Comes you up, man. I saw you the other night leaving, man.
Good night.